What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to deal with math and chemistry question, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. This video I want to show you how to solve this trig equation, which is 2 cosine theta equals to 1 minus sine squared theta. And we need to solve it for theta between 0 and 2 pi. As you see here, in one side I have cosine, and another side I have sine squared theta. So the best method is to convert this sine squared to cosine squared. How can I do that? I'm going to use trig identities. We know sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals to 1. So 1 minus sine squared theta will be equal to cosine squared theta. So I'm going to rearrange this equation and write 2 cosine theta equals to cosine squared theta. Then I move this one to this side. It's going to be cosine squared theta minus 2 cosine theta equals to 0. And now I need to factor it. Both of them have cosine theta. So I factor cosine theta. Cosine squared theta divided by cosine theta is going to be cos theta. Negative 2 cosine theta divided by cosine theta is going to be negative 2 equals to then 0. Now we have two scenarios, cosine theta equals to 0 or cosine theta minus 2 equals to 0, which will give us cosine theta equals to 2. And we know cosine and sine functions are changing from negative 1 to positive 1, and it's not possible to have something for cosine and sine greater than 1 or less than negative 1. So cosine theta equals to 2 is not possible, so there is no solution here. But on the other hand, cosine theta equals to 0, we have two solutions when we are talking about theta between 0 and 2 pi. So one answer can be pi over 2, the other answer is going to be 3 pi over 2, basically 90 and 270 degrees. So cosine pi over 2 and cosine 3 pi over 2, both of them are 0. So we have two answers. One of them is pi over 2, the other one is 3 pi over 2. I will leave some related playlists in the description in this video. If you need more extra help or extra practice question, you can take a look to description. If you found this video useful, please like this video and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day.